Who's that? Oh, that's Cordelia. I'm shooting Cordelia. Evil at the unfinished cathedral. Start the stage? I guess so. Here we go.
Oh!
Hey!
Stop it! Help! Boy, will you quit messing around over there? What? Me?
Quit moving around.
He's distracting me, Dad.
All right. Due to you girls' fine work, it seems there's only one of these dark
We're all
purveyors
here.
left. So here's what we're gonna do. Juliet,
What?
you attack from the front. I'll take out the bastards from here.
Mm-hmm.
Cordelia, you head this way. And Rosalind, here. Together, we should be able to find this last bastard. Got it?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay.
Yep.
Rosalind?
Check it out. I gave it a makeover.
Whoa!
I'm not an it.
Son, if you don't quit acting like a fruit, I'm gonna stick you in the juicer. Now, come on.
I can't take this anymore, Juliet.
Okay,
I'm
we'll
just
get
slowing you
used to it.
down. Just leave me in the trash can, okay? Or a mailbox or something, because I don't want to go any further.
You just can't stand
I'm
it.
not going without you. I love you.
No, you don't. You just think it looks cool to have a boyfriend who's a decapitated head. What about what I want?
Oh
But
my
what if the
goodness.
zombies find you?
Yeah.
They love human face.
Yeah.
It's their favorite part.
That's a risk I'm willing to take.
Oh
Living
my
like
gosh.
this sucks anyway.
Dump him. Dump him.
No.
Yes.
No? You can't just take me if I don't want to.
Yes, I can. Because I love you so much.
Alright. Alright. I'll give it to her.
Come on, girl. Kick some ass.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna have makeup on the entire time now.
Get out of my sight!
Oh my goodness.
I guess I don't have any choice but to do this.
Yep. Just shut up and watch me fight. Oh yeah. You can help me here. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. 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 Wow. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Yay!
Nick? It's not so bad, huh?
You took away my choice, Juliet. You're making me
Blah
feel better than
blah
those
blah
zombies.
blah blah.
Tried something new.
Oh, this one's cute.
You're so hot.
Go team go.
Oh
Let's
yeah.
go.
This one is cute. Oh, this is giving Goth Girl click. Let's go. Oh, come on, let's go. Big sis.
Juliet, I hope you work things out with your boyfriend.
I think we could if he stopped being a jerk.
I agree.
Hey! I'm the one who's being kidnapped.
I'll
Don't
cover
care.
you until I'm out of ammo.
Ungrateful.
Go!
Just being ungrateful.
My sister is so awesome at shooting stuff.
Yeah.
Put a bullet in me while she's at it.
Quit being morbid, Nick. And this.
That's all you are, bro. Killjoy. It's a killjoy for sure. Nothing but a
Cordelia's
killjoy.
Really an amazing sharpshooter.
Cordelia, that's her name. Forgot her name.
Spread the virus. Spread the virus.
Oh, hell no. Oh, fuck. Back up, back up, back up.
Done and done.
Whoa.
Now this.
Move! 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 Get him, Cordelia, get him! What the hell are you doing? Just nothing?
Yes.
How are you doing all the work?
Good luck, sis.
Thanks, sis. Oh my god, I love this one. Girl, kick the damn thing down. Yeah. hey. Since when was A the freaking jump button?
Chainsaw blaster.
Give me that.
Awesome. Shoot, it's a dead end.
As if things couldn't get worse.
Nick, seriously, turn that frown upside down.
Please.
Problem is, you or anyone else can turn my frown upside down anytime you please.
Oh my gosh. Terrible. Terrible. Oh my gosh, we have like a minute. Oh my god. Yeah. Goodbye. I feel like that was kind of a waste. Get me out of here. Who wants it? Hurry up. Goodbye. Whoa.
Hey, Juliet, I'll clear a path, and you make sure to get your butt in there.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Escape. Where's the path? Okay, I dodged that. I literally dodged that. Oh my gosh, all the freaking bosses are coming out now. Shit. Move. I need to see you. Get out of the way. I need a clear view of everyone. There's two? Oh my gosh, I could have killed you a long time ago. Goodbye. Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, we rich too now. Let's
Your
go.
sister is just as crazy as the zombies.
He really wants us to dump him.
I have
He
your
wants
back,
us to dump
Cordelia.
him. Oh no. Yeah, everybody coming out now. Everybody.
Take him down, Cordelia.
Take him down. With the moon? Are you kidding me? Wish those freaking zombies weren't dying in the background, but... What is that? Oh, that's Cordelia. I'm shooting Cordelia. Where? What's going on? I'm not pausing. Oh, I just...
Neat.
What happened?
Maybe?
Don't even act like you care that I died just now either. Like, what? What just happened? Get me out of here.
Your sister is just as crazy as the zombies.
Well, you look crazy, so...
Let's go to camp together.
Stand still!
Watch out overhead.
I'm out.
Cordelia, I'll meet you on the other side of the building.
See you in a few.
This is gonna be the hardest thumbnail ever.
Seriously, though, I can't believe you want me to put you in a pizza box after everything we've been through.
A
Literally.
mailbox, not a pizza box.
Same
You're
thing.
being so selfish, Nick. I mean, hey look, a bird.
What the f? In the face. Watch out, bro. Watch out! I can do that move too. Seriously?
Done and done.
Whew, he got out. That's all that matters.
I think those zombies were trying to bukkake me.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Whoa. Come on.
Put me in call that can do it. Play short.
I'm at the waiting point.
Too easy. Too easy. Too easy.
Watch out overhead.
Got it!
Got it.
Go!
Gone.
Okay, this way then.
Gone.
Thanks, Cordelia.
I can't stand you. Chainsaw dash. Chainsaw dash. Yippee! Where am I going? Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh.
Feces are all in my pants.
Ew.
Undead scumbag!
Yuck.
Chainsaw Master!
Ugh, you have to go faster!
Okay, I'm coming. We're going. Goodbye. Jump.
Where's Cordelia?
Don't matter. She's fine. What the? Whoa.
Ready? Go!
Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What the f is that? Sis, move. Get up. Who else want it? Damn! Seriously? Move, move, move! Move. Okay, that guy was obvious. That zombie was invisible as f. Just seen a floating health bar. Like, look at that.
I
Are
got
you
you covered,
joking?
so move ahead. Go! Go!
Okay, okay, okay. I'm trying. I'm trying. Go jump. You know what? I'm glad he's freaking quiet for once.
I'll cover you until I'm out of ammo. Go!
That does nothing. Absolutely nothing. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Adios. 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 Bye.
I gotta poo.
Okay, enough with the poop jokes. It's not funny. It's not cute. Let's go. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Move. Who else? Who else want it? Who else want it? What? Move. Love to see it. Oh, damn. Whoa. Ah! Move out my way. And then he just in the corner like, Now what? Now what? Now what? Jump over, jump over. What do I do? What do I do? Where do I go? Where do I go? Here. Oh, through the door. Hang on. Nah, it's not as cute as the moon one, but... Ooh! I bet we have so much money.
God, I love
We have
shopping.
808.
Check
We'll
this
do
out.
it.
Let's go.
Oh,
Damn, I'm
MG.
out of ammo. I was so close.
Where you at?
Sorry, Juliet, but the rest is up to you.
Thanks, sis. Oh boy, now I feel the pressure.
I mean, as cute as it is, it doesn't really fit the theme as much as I wanted it to. We bought it, so here we are. So cool to me. I want to see my mom.
Vacation in Mexico.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, Juliet, look what I found!
Okay, help me. Yeah, help me out.
Rosalind, be careful with that thing.
I'm really awesome at it. Watch!
Listen, I know I'm mad at you now, but you have to be careful. Your sister is more dangerous than the zombies.
Oh, man.
Rosalind, watch it! Watch out!
This is awful, but hilarious!
Are we serious? Okay, well,
Juliet, what kind of cake are we having tonight?
what? I don't know.
Hey, Juliet, how can I meet a cool boyfriend who's interesting like that thing? Sure! No one that's writing here or anything! She totally wanted a wrecking ball for Christmas.
Oh
This
my God.
completely proves that she should never get one.
Your family sure is, exciting.
Deal with it. Deal with it. Oh my gosh, girl, watch out.
Boys hate me. Believe it. Ready?
A X A E E Y.
Yes! You're already dead.
Ow! Really? Damn, girl!
For real.
Alright, here we go. Let me grab my lollipop first. Go, 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 go! I promise it's not me. Yeah. Oh no. Relax. Relax. I'm shooting the damn tree.
These zombies are so ugly, I'm gagging. For real.
Quit moving.
Looking good. You have to admit, Nick, we've seen a lot of really interesting stuff today.
Quit trying to turn it into something pop.
Juliet!
Pop!
Stop! Also, did I tell you I love your hair that way?
Thanks. As cute as this cute zombie hunter is, we have to switch it up. Oh, the bunny one though. We just got it.
Does this make me look fat?
Oh man, you're so hot.
Alright. This one's my favorite. Oh gosh. I can't move.
Die, my darling.
Oh,
Weight limit on this thing. Gotta make sure zombies don't slow it down.
sure.
If they do, I'll put them on my new disembowelment diet.
Hush up. Not right now, sis. I only carry pads. Hurry up. Oh, sh**. Get Queso out of here. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. Okay, I have 7 bullets left. Probably shouldn't play this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give me bullets! Where they at though? Where they at though?
It's getting too heavy.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Watch out.
Ready? Go!
Yep. Come on.
Ah, we're falling.
Ugh, I got us! Yay!
Yay might be pushing it.
No.
Whoa! Check out that cathedral. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, the aesthetics of my surroundings are so interesting to me right now.
I know.
Oh, this is
30
asinine,
headshots.
Juliet. I don't need to be here.
You're my moral support, Nick. You could do some cheers.
Yeah.
Rah, it sucks being ahead. Fuck everything. Rah, rah. How's that?
Seriously, it was terrible. But I bet you'll get better with practice. Perfect!
Ooh.
Yay! Yes! Alright! Cool! Kick ass! Alright!
Oh no. Kind of messed that up. Oh.
You're awful good at this, Juliet. You sure you just took a pole dance class?
Yes! Sensei Morikawa taught it. He also showed me some great lap dance moves.
What?
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Move! Damn! What just happened? I kicked him?
Awesome! Yes!
Move out of my way. This way, this way, this way. Whee! Yes. Old man zombie. What the? Hold on, hold on. Let's get these ones up here. Whee! What the hell? Stand still!
These zombies are like the awfulest dancers ever.
Let go! Oh my god. Oh my gosh. These guys are the worst. Holy moly, can I kill them? Dodge this. Dodge this. Okay. Now what? Oh, really?
Saw blast.
That was it?
You think you're something?
Yes. I'm everything.
This is the part where I die.
Yep. Are you done?
Nailed it! Chainsaw blaster.
Shit. Let's go. Wow. Oh my god, am I stuck? Whee! Let's go. Let's go.
The room's being flooded with zombies. Somehow we need to plug the drain.
Oh my gosh. Get off of me.
Ready? Go!
Okay, come on. 2 down, 2 down. Move! Come on. Go, 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 go. Five left. Go, go, go. Bring it on, bring it on. I'm out. Oh my gosh. Yes. One bullet left. Mom?
It's Rosalind! I just found a stray dog and it's so cute! Do you think Mommy will let me keep it? I hope so. I love it so much! Wait, never mind. The fucking thing just ran away.
Oh my gosh. Shit. Watch out, bro! Oh my gosh, hot Cheeto breath!
Awesome.
Oh yeah, give me them bullets. Get up, get up, get up! Come on. Hey! Let's go, let's go.
Chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw blaster. Wow!
Oh my gosh! Stay off of him.
I never thought I'd be saved by someone with such great tits.
Alrighty then. Whee!
Whoa. The final battle. This is heavy.
Alright, let's lock in. It's okay. See if we can figure out our combos.
Uh-oh, I think we're gonna die.
Be more positive, Nick.
Please.
All right, we're gonna die quickly.
Killjoy. Killjoy. Where the damn barrels when you need them? What? We barely died. Oh yeah. Move.
Juliet,
Yeah.
I see it.
What?
Hold on to something.
What?
Here.
Um. Jeez.
Well, that's it. I'll make sure you're protected from anything that gets in your way.
Well, here I go.
Good luck to both of you. Nick, you may not be the guy I'd pick for my daughter, but you're obviously the guy she'd pick for herself. She's always been a hell of a lot smarter than me.
Thanks.
Yeah. Better frickin' listen to him. We'll do the leather bodycon.
I found something.
Let's see what that looks like. We are ready to party. Oh no, I seen bullets. Oh yeah.
This is
We're ready to party.
incredible. Juliet, you actually made it.
Oh, that's right.
Fantastic.
You! How could you do this? To our school! To the
Yeah.
people we loved! What?
You don't give a damn. What the?
That's what I'm talking about.
Look who it is. Mary-Kate and Ashley.
Oh, Juliet. I've been getting so lonely since you've been wasting all my dark purveyors. Poor Lewis here is the only one left.
Freaking
And
great
there's
value
about to be
death
none.
note.
Cocky little. I like that.
Excuse me?
Bring it on, douchebag! I'm gonna F you up!
I love your passion, babe. Looks like we can make beautiful death together.
Taken. Whoa. Are we serious? Wow.
I've got a feeling when I start playing, you're just gonna die.
I got a gun too. Lewis Legend.
Rock and roll is here to stay. You're not.
Let's see about that. Punk. Whoa! Okay, hold up.
Jerry Lee suck ass is a real pain.
What's he doing? Move. Watch out! Oh my god. Girl, move. I'm gonna need more bullets soon, baby.
This? Nothing.
Come back here. Come back here. Oh my god. Are we serious? Oh my.
Knock that down.
I'm trying. Move. Come here. Don't run. Don't you dare run. He ran. Freaking wuss. Oh. Get off that damn bike.
If I had my hands right now, I'd run away on them in a handstand.
You can't say two things at once, bro. Come on. Move, 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 move.
All right, Chicky. Keep up now. We gonna fly. You ready? Now let's go to the depths of hell!
Shit. Dang. What the? Are we serious? A freaking elephant?
Sure, giant robot elephant. Doesn't
I
even faze me anymore.
don't have bullets. Get him in the butt. Get him in the butt. Move, move, move. At least it's just him. At least it's just him. Come on. Charge already. Charge. Oh, because you won't. Ow! Oh, you're lame. You're lame. Come on, good three good slices. 3 good slices. Ow. Bitch. Get out of here. Get out of here. What? Bitch. Think you're doing something? Skating backwards? Really? Bye. You're done. You're done. You're done. One more time. I know it. I just know it. One more time. Let's go. Idiot. Jump, jump. Come on. Why? Why? Go!
Hey, now this is the essence of Elephant Rock. Make sure you don't fall.
Elephant what? What the fuck?
Dude! Black Knight! You have no legs! Stop already!
Please. Please. Break all the damn pillars you want. I don't care. Oh my goodness. Shit. Come on, keep up. Oh my gosh. I jumped right into that one. Come on. Look at him running away. Keep running. Good freaking bye. Jump, 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 jump. That's right. I keep forgetting about this.
Awesome!
My favorite.
You're Nick Toss.
Come on, Nick Toss. Come on, Nick Toss. Let's go, Nick Toss. Whoa! Damn! Knocked me halfway across the map. Bye. Don't care. Don't care. Run. Dodge. Heal. Okay. We're fine. We're good. We're all good. Oh my gosh, we're about to knock him off the edge. Oh my. Come on. Come on. Bitch, you think you can run from me? You think you can run from me? Goodbye, Lewis. Legend. Yeah, right. Whatever. Come here. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, he doesn't have legs. Yeah, you know what? I could have told you that.
We're getting punked, right? When's Ashton Kutcher gonna pop out?
Oh, too late. Shit. Damn. Okay, I'm not turning this camera like this. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? By the time I get over here. Why not? Why not?
Awesome!
You know what? I could use some bullets. I could use some bullets right now.
Milkshake.
I'm just looking around right now. Oh my. Woo! You thought you got me? You really thought you could do that to me? Okay, we got bullets too now, so you're done. You're done. Let's say goodbye. Dimwit. 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 Shit. We cool. We cool. Oh, we cool. Oh, we're chilling. Careful. Finish. You're finished. You're finished. He's so scared. He's so scared. Oh my goodness. Bye. Are we serious? Goodbye. Good riddance. My glass on.
Your turn, you whiny MySpace-haired jerk.
Yep. Come here.
Fantastic work, Juliet. You've done everything just as I hoped you would. Start to finish. Thanks for your cooperation. Now the real deal is fulfilled.
What?
What? What are you talking about?
You incredibly hot idiot. I told you, for the gates of hell to open, a ritual must be enacted. And you were part of it all along. I set this whole thing up, you fools! Now the ceremony has been completed, and they must utter the sacred words at the point of their deaths. Meus vita rege pro nefario coepto.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? They wanted to die.
Why? Why are you doing all of this?
Because you're just like everyone else. You pretended to be different, but you're not.
What? Me?
Yes, Juliet, you.
Watch your mouth. Oh. Seriously? We fell right into his trap. We fell right into
This
it.
is the end. The real end to everything. Your eternal screams of horror will be my pop music.
Oh my gosh. Guys, can we do this? Guys, can we do this? What? Is that? Kill a Billy.
It's the zombie of zombies. Kill a Billy.
Yesterday, I stubbed my toe. I was like, this is the worst day ever. Yeah, not quite.
Shut up. Oh gosh.
Excellent.
A B. We got a B. That ain't bad. There's one more left. Oh my. Are you serious? I have no idea how long this is gonna take, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay, love y'all. Bye.